Shall we take our flag now, Singapore?
Alright. Wave your flags in the air, Singapore. Oh, we got word. They're officially out. Yeah. Singapore. Now here's the thing. They may be far away, but very soon they can see you. They can hear you. We want your love and support. In case you're wondering, the Red Lions are members of the Singapore Armed Forces parachute team. Go for the free-fall display. Here's the thing, they've got so much to navigate. The changing wind conditions. In fact, sometimes we don't know whether it's a suitable condition for them to fly or not. They've got so much to consider to it.
And this is why they must have at least 500 plus training jumps before they can perform for an NDP.
Wow. You know what? We have to really salute our brave men and women who are doing this just for us.
Exactly, I find it really amazing how they managed to achieve such precision by using just their parachute, guys.
So guys, you know what? Every year they land with their helmet and their Red Lion jumpsuits. I was thinking this year, how about we have
2,100 jumps! Guys, guess what? He has such an adorable nickname. He's called Bear Bear. See, we've been through I don't know how many weekends of rehearsals already, and I still don't know why he's called Bear Bear. Exactly, because we need to find out. Oh, by the way, this is his 10th NDP. Very nice. Well, up next we want to say hi to Master Warrant Officer Chu In Sing with 900 jumps. When not parachuting, he's a mountain biking trail master.
Next up, we have First Warrant Officer Kelvin Chan with 875 jumps. A real techie, he is the team's tech guru.
And with 1,017 jumps, they call him Master Yoda. We got First Warrant Officer Ho Jin Fong.
And next up, we have Lieutenant Colonel Yo Chu Chien with 688 jumps. He's the team leader, and you know what? This guy is really something, man, because his specialty is 100 push-ups. Come on, Eddie. Want to challenge him? Are you sure?
Moving on, Sonia.
I would pay to see that, Joe, and Eddie. All right, up next. This is the first female Red Lion who made her debut in 2013. It's second warrant officer, Shirley Ang. She's got 888 jumps. I love that.
And following hot in her heels is the fact that we have two female jumpers. Let's meet Second Warrant Officer